everybody, and welcome back to another video from Learning is Fun. So in this video we are taking negative and positive numbers. What are negative numbers and what are positive numbers? So positive numbers are what we just used to call numbers when we were young. So let's draw a number line so it can make it easier for us to understand. So most of the time we have 0 in the beginning of a number line. Have you ever wondered what is before the 0? Well, you guessed it right. It's the negative numbers. So the positive numbers are the numbers that are after the 0, and the negative numbers are the numbers before the 0. So a positive number, the more it gets away from 0, the more the number becomes. But in the negative numbers, the more it goes away from 0, the less it becomes. So as you can see, in the positive, I put a plus sign beside it, which we don't need to use at all in the positive numbers. But the negative numbers, I had to put a subtraction sign, which some people call the minus sign, so I can know that this is a negative number. Okay, so as you can see, here I put just a plus at the beginning just to show you that these are the positive numbers. But we don't need to put anything, we just put the numbers like they are. They're just normal numbers, but we call them positive numbers in the mathematical form. And as you can see, in the negative numbers, I had to put a subtraction sign. We don't call it -1, -2, no. We call it -1, -2, -3, and so on. Let's take another example, but with temperatures. Which temperature of these is the coolest? So the temperatures, I'm going to write them down right now on my screen. 1 second. Okay, here. We have -32 degrees Celsius / Fahrenheit. The other one we have is -42 degrees Celsius / Fahrenheit. The last one is 53 degrees Celsius / Fahrenheit. As we said, the more you get away from 0 in the negative numbers, the less the number becomes. That means that the coolest temperature is -42 degrees Celsius / Fahrenheit. Let's take this again, but with which temperature is the warmest temperature? Let's see right now. I'm going to write it on the screen. Okay. 32 degrees Celsius / Fahrenheit, or -42 degrees Celsius / Fahrenheit, or 112 degrees Celsius / Fahrenheit. Of course, it's 112 degrees Celsius / Fahrenheit, because in positive numbers, the more you get away from 0, the higher the number becomes. Okay, let's take some basics. For example, if I said 1 minus 2, or subtracted by 2, that means it is -1. What if I said 2 subtracted by 1 or -1? That means it's just 1. Let's write the rules down of where should we put the positive numbers and where should we put the negative numbers. So as you can see, I wrote down that we must put the positive numbers after the 0. We cannot put it before the 0 whatsoever. If we put it before the 0, it's not positive numbers anymore. It's just a negative number. And the negative number is definitely, we put it before the 0. So this is part 1. We are going to be taking part 2. It's going to be up next Friday. My schedule is posting every single Friday. Let's get back to our topic, which is negative and positive numbers. So I'm going to be continuing the video next time. See you next time. Bye bye.